and what's his name? We don't know him.
Nice to meet y'all.
Look at this. This cute little guy's just hanging out on this bird cage. Little gray tree frog. Wish my camera would focus on him. There, look at that. Isn't he beautiful? Let's go feed the birds. Say hey, Fred. Hello, Fred. Say good morning. Say good morning. Yeah. What else? Yeah, look. You want to eat my bucket? That's what he would do to my fingers. Give it back. Bye-bye, Fred. Hey, friends. We are on our way to Clinton, Alabama to the Abandoned Chicken Show. We got up bright and early, did what we had to do, and now we're going to go down there and we're going to meet some people. Hey, look who I found. I got Jacqueline from the Head Family Farm, Brooke, and what's his name? We don't know him.
Nice to meet y'all.
This is Mary Carl. You know, she's the famous little bird lady. Back there in the corner, there's Zach, and I can't believe I forgot that baby's name. That is Eleanor. That is Zach and Jacqueline's baby at the Head Family Homestead. Look at this. Do you see the look on Jason's face? He is so embarrassed for me. I'm embarrassed myself. And we're just here having fun, hanging out. Got all these little birds. We're going to take a tour around. Friends, I'm so sorry. I got so excited being there with other YouTubers, other friends, people that you know, have similar interests, you know, real live in person, that I got carried away and forgot to record anything. I'm the worst YouTuber in the whole world. I have other videos on my channel of chicken shows. I'll try to link those down in the comments. Also, go watch, you know, the Cog Hill video and the Head Family video. They both recorded this day. I'm sure they did lives on Facebook, so there's lots of chicken shows to see. Go Sports Ball. Okay, we're on our way back now. Daniela is doing some homeschooled recording on the tablet, and Catherine's back there. She's probably playing a game. Had so much fun meeting up with our friends and other YouTubers. It's our first time meeting the Head Family Homestead, Jacqueline and Zach and Eleanor. Eleanor's chickens won, at least in the first round. She got a first place silkie and a second place silkie, and that is amazing. I'm sure you're going to watch their videos and the Cog video, all about that. It's going to be great and wonderful. I gotta get home and put these new birds away. Let me put you down so I can be safe. Just put them into their holding pen. They're going to stay here for a while. The Polish may stay here semi-permanently, but the Silkies will be integrated in with our Silkie flock. I just don't have time to set up a howdy cage right now. I've got to get the rest of the birds fed, and then we got to start getting ready for church tomorrow. Catherine went to get the water hose. We're going to fill up the big blue swimming pool so they have plenty of water. And I've got to get their house in here. But oh my gosh, I love this whole bunch. It is just so very kind of Zach and Jacqueline to offer these to me. She said that she had decided that she's not going to breed any Polish. She's going to keep some of the hens just as egg layers, but that she wasn't going to keep the roosters. And she offered up a couple of the pullets also. And she just gave them to me. Just wonderful, kind, beautiful people. So happy to finally get to meet them. Aren't they beautiful? Leave a comment down below. On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think of them? Are they hideous, or are they the most beautiful chicken in the world? Somewhere about a 6 or a 7 maybe? Look, I know I've got this zoomed in way too much, but our turkeys are practicing. I really thought that little one was a girl, but I guess not. Look at that. Gobble, gobble. It's almost time, isn't it? Of course, the two nosy girls have to come take a look. Ordinarily, I would quarantine you birds well away from my existing flock for at least 30 days, but knowing that they came from the Head Family Farm, I'm not worried. They are NPIP, which means they're participants of the Natural Poultry Improvement Plan. And I've got a takeout lid in there. I've got to get that out. I guess the kids brought some leftovers down here to feed you something one day. But yeah, there are those two. Don't forget to water your ducks. How funny. Quack. The little figurita pigeon on the right is trying to take on the larger fantail pigeon. And of course, as soon as I pull the camera out, they stop. That rooster is CJ, Corny Jr. He's the one Mary Carl gave us. And these hens are Golden Cuckoo Marins. This one's all crooked. I've got to, I'm going to give her to a pet home.
I hope you enjoyed the trip. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.